Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and I thought I'd finally try these lashes that I got, Charmed and Armed. They are from Makartt, I believe. I got them so long ago that I don't remember, but I believe it was on the Makartt site. So I got these big old lashes. I got 2 of them in this kit. Isn't that cute? So I'm going to put these on today with the Charmed and Armed Lash Adhesive. And they have this fancy little tool that it came with. So they've been sitting in this cute little bag since, like, I don't know, last year. So let's try that out, shall we? So I'm going to open these up. It has directions on it. So it says remove from lash case carefully with tweezers and trim down lash to desired length. Exercise the lash band by holding both ends of the lash with your fingers and move them up and down. Apply lash glue carefully to the lash band and wait a few seconds before applying the lash. To remove, gently peel off lashes from either corner and store lashes back into the case to reuse. So this should be fun. So let's see. Oh, nice case. Very nice case. I like the box detail. So, those are fun and massive. Look at those. Oh. Okay, so why not? Right? That makeup case is cute. So, it probably should. I know I washed my hands, but I've been hot and sweaty. Had a training meeting for work today, which was great. So, here we go. We'll just play with lashes. Now I'm all hot and sweaty. Okay. Anyway. So carefully remove. Oh, here we go. Do I? Yes. I'm not careful and I always end up peeling a thing off. So let's see if I use the tweezers. There we go. Tweezers work good to get a start, and then I'm peeling them off. So you want to work the band. Am I good at putting lashes on? No. Have I glued my eyes shut? Yes, that's right. This liner, I'm hoping will be nice. I've tried some liners before, and they get kind of messy. So let's see. So let's test it out. See if I need to trim, which I probably do. Ooh, there it goes. I can't even tell. Don't mind me. Oh yeah, that's so long. So I have my handy scissors. So I'm going to, since they're all just long, I'm going to cut off one end. Try again. That's better. So think one off. Each one is good. So that's what I'm going to do with this second one. There's a side that's wonky. Take this side off. Sticking to me and I lost it. Oh, there it is. Okay. So just exercise the band. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Okay. There we go. Now, open the glue. So it's black. Just a nice regular tip. Let me see, is it clear enough? There we go. The tip, just like a regular liner. Let's attempt to do this, shall we? Ooh, fun. Am I in camera? Let's see. So I'm just going to apply it. Goes on nicely, nicer than the other brands that I've had. One line. I hold my breath doing it, you know. Perfect. I like the way it goes on. That's cool. See about this part. You should probably start with the side that it started with first. Okay, that's a little hard. Let's see. Let's see, is that on now? That's crazy. I think we're on. I think they need to be trimmed. Haha, so long. Okay, let's try the other side. I'm going to try it without the tool. Nice and sticky, which is what you want it to be. I think they're still slightly too long, but they're on because this side is hanging off. This is where I have problems. Ah, better. Okay, what do you think of these bad boys? Okay, this, I like this a lot. So I will link down below what site this was from. Like I said, I believe it was from Makartt, but it will say right here if it's not. But yeah, these are kind of crazy, and I feel like I have, you know, big old spiders in my lashes. But they're fun. Those are fun. I think I need to trim them down a bit because they're crazy. But yeah, that's it. I think I like that. I think I like that. We'll just see how they wear, but that will be another video, and I will put on less tarantula eyelashes for a wear test later on. So look for that video coming up in the next couple weeks. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. Want a closer look at my lashes? There they are. How did I do? Not too shabby. Not too shabby. So that was super quick. Hey, not bad. So thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like this video, give me a nice thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I appreciate you all. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you again next time. Toodaloo.